Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Woodle. Today we are going to learn these beautiful and crafty envelopes. I will show you 2 ways to make these envelopes. So stay tuned and be with me till the end. We can use these envelopes for birthdays, for any occasion, for our kitties and many other ways. So let's see the material required for making these envelopes. We need 2 colored sheets, scissor, cutter, sketch pen, pencil, ruler, glue stick and stickers. So let's see the first way how to make the envelope. Take the sheet and take rectangular sheet and make the square out of it. First we will fold the triangle. As you all know how to make the square from rectangular sheet, and if you don't know, you can see my old videos. And we will cut it with cutter. Our square is ready, and if you feel you need to cut, you can make it more neat with the help of scissors. Our square is ready. Now we need to fold it diagonally like this and match the edges. Press it nicely and turn it. Now we need to fold this till here and press it. Again we need to fold this, match it and press the crease. Open it and we will put this flap in this flap and set accordingly. It should match here. And press from all the sides. And see, our envelope is ready. Now it has 2 flaps. When we open it, there is a pocket. We can use this envelope for kitties, and for any occasion we can use these types of envelopes. It is very easy and super creative. You can make it very easily. Fold it and our envelope is ready. You can decorate it in many ways. You can put stickers here. You can make the borders. I will show you how to make the borders. Let's see another way to make the envelope. For the second one, take a sheet and set it in this form. This is landscape form, and fold it. As we need only half sheet, cut it with the help of cutter or scissor. We will use only half sheet. Now fold it like this and leave this panel for folding this. Now with the help of a scale and a pencil, mark a line, both the sides, here also and here also. After putting the lines, cut it from the corners like this, this side also, this side also. It will look like this after cutting from all the sides. Now open it and cut this line. from both sides. See, it will look like this. Now fold it. From both the sides. Put glue stick. And paste it. Same here. It is very important to close your glue stick. And see, our envelope is ready. It is also very easy and creative way to make the envelope. You can make this envelope in different sizes. For that you can take big sheet for the big envelope and small sheet for the small one. So we have made these two envelopes, and you can decorate it with stickers, with sketch pens, with any craft material. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's meet in another video with a new and crafty project. Thank you. Have a nice day.